Okay guys, so last week I promised you guys to show the tutorial at the end of my video, but I don't have that much time to do it, so I'm gonna post it today. So basically, the tutorial of last trick is all about 9 cards. So you can see there's a deck of cards. It have like 52 cards, but it doesn't matter. We just need like 9 cards. So 3, 3, 3. They're all random. You can let the spectator shuffle and just get 9 cards out of the deck. It doesn't matter. And you just need to make them into 3 piles, like 3, 3, and 3. And now you can let your spectator pick any pile out of 3. So for example, if the spectator pick this one and you tell them this is your card, remember it. So it's in this case it's the 3 of spade. And what we do next, we just flip back and set on top of the pile and collect the other one. And then we're gonna spell out the spectator's card and use the secret word, which is magic. So THREE, and set the rest card on the top of that. OF SPADE. And now the magic word is, the secret word is magic. So MAGIC. As you can see, we use the secret word to find spectator card. And this called a self-working trick. No setup, just random 9 card. You can do this yourself as well. Just pick one of the pile and the bottom card will be spectator's card. This one is a Jack of Hearts. So do the same thing. And spell GACK OF HEART and MAGIC, and this one will be a spectator's card. So just remember, for the spelling is SPADE, that's 5 letters, HEART, that's 5 letters, and the club, we need the clubs, so it's CLUBS, it's also 5 letters, and the diamond, so DIAMONDS, that's 8 letters. Just remember that, and all the steps are the same. You can perform this anytime, anywhere. It works every time. Alright, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy it and learn how to do this, and trick your friend. Like and subscribe. Thank you.